Tutorial number 1, open QuickTime to record. I have to do it in my phone because I cannot record on record. So you go to QuickTime. Once you find QuickTime, then you're gonna go to File, New Screen Recording. When you do that, double check that you have lines 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it's here. If you click here, it says none. You have to change it to build internal microphone. Now you have it. And then after that, you basically are going to click the red button. And then instead of doing a second click, what you're going to do is take it to the corner over here. And then from there, drag it. See, drag that area there. And then catch all that info from Google Earth. Release. And now you're going to click start recording. And now start recording. And you can see that on the top here, there is a little black button to stop it. So then you start moving all your points here on the side. So if you want to go to Corsica, double click in Corsica and it's going to go there. That's the preset snapshot view. Then read your factual information from your Chromebook. Corsica is an important island because this and that, etc. Now let's go to Malta and do double click on the side. And then you're going to go to Malta, isn't it? And then read your important information and continue until you finish. Once you're done, go to this button on the top. There is a black button. Click it. And then you stop immediately. And that's it. You produce a movie. And then you have to just click like exit, the red button, and then save it in your desktop. And that's it.